Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the Xiaomi Mijia smart audio glasses, all controls. So, let me at first open my glasses. So, let me at first explain the right side. This is the right side. And here they have our touch control. If you move it forward, I'm now increasing the volume level. Here, when going to the back, I'm decreasing the volume level. I think it's easy and intuitive, right? Okay, so here on the left side, we do have here next song and previous song. I think that that's quite intuitive, yeah? Again, so that's it as for here. As for the music, etc. If you want to pause your music, I'm going to just double tap or play. Double tap this touch sensor. The same is with the, for example, videos or with calls. Play, pause, play, pause, accept, and accept, and I think that's it. That is quite intuitive again. And to start the call recording, when not on a call, you need to wait a moment. To start a recording, you need to hold and release. Not of course, well, not in a call. In a call. Goodbye.